More of a minimalist kit this time. Backpack, my oven ready, which I tied together with a bit of cord, just to stop from splitting any further. So, walking stick, toilet paper, 3 litres of water, extra strong mints, spirits, radio, torch, solar panel, blah blah blah. Just the one rain tarp, 15 metres of paracord, inflatable mattress, hammock, sleeping bag, and of course the Bergen. That's all I'm taking. I mean, I could just take the hammock, but this is minimalist, but with comfort. I'm not going to bother with cooking. I'm not going to bother with food. I'm probably going to do a roast at some point and take a hunk of meat with me. Nice, simple, and if my kneecap is up to it, maybe a bit further afield. If I go just over North Hill, which is up there, that leaves me exposed to, well, the next view, unfortunately, is America. So that's depressing. But it also means I'll be exposed to more direct weather from whales, for fuck's sake, the stench of penises and sheep. Anyway, let's see how it goes.